Ready?
That shit loud, huh?
Maybe I should open the door for you so you don't like scratch anything.
I'm not really.
Yeah. Get past me.
I'm like nervous to get in.
Why?
It's like too nice.
I like that.
I'm gonna get in.
What'd
you do?
Nothing.
What'd I do?
Nothing. You didn't do anything. It was me.
Did I do something?
No, it was me. Alright, ready? It's freaking
Hey, oh
hot.
God, you got me?
So, ready?
God got me.
It's not that loud, is it?
Okay.
What are you about?
That's not the loudest thing.
It's not always that loud, it's just starting. Quiet hours end at me.
Your neighbors hate you.
Probably. These people on top of me just moved in, actually. So, and you can clearly hear it right there.
They hate you.
Probably. That's right.
Your stand will look.
Like, well, can I hold it?
Holy like a Mario Kart.
No. It's because the steering angle, sensor needs to be calibrated because I just changed the clock spring.
Okay.
And I cleared the code, and yeah, that's the only reason why I did that. Yeah, but you know,
This is your baby?
car stuff. Yeah.
Do you have a name? What's her name?
Nismo, because it's a Nismo. Yeah.
She deserves better.
What do you mean? Okay, give her a better name.
Nala?
Nala. Nala. Okay, keep that in mind.
Watch liking.
I watched it. Yeah.
It's the girl line.
Yeah, the girl. Yeah. So you guys are probably not gonna see this video. It might be a month, might be 2 months, might be a year. I don't know if I'm gonna release this video. Today is Saturday, September 9th. It is 8:14. So you can kind of correlate that to whenever, if I even upload this video. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna post it, but
It's for you.
I didn't want to miss this opportunity of her driving this car for the first time, getting that reaction. So I figured I'd
It's not as loud as I thought it would be.
not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
For real?
So this car has 2 wastegates underneath us. So when I go full throttle, they open up and it makes it louder.
It's like a spaceship.
You said it feels like a spaceship?
Yeah.
So you hear that
What's that
flutter?
noise?
That's the turbo.
Turbo?
Yeah, so the turbo flutters. So when I let it off the gas, because I don't have a blow off valve, so well, that's gonna get into technical. It's just a turbo. It flutters when I let it off the gas.
Okay, it's not as loud as I really thought it would be. I thought it would be loud the whole time.
Oh yeah, no.
Okay, cool.
Very tame, very you know.
Behave.
Yeah, it's behaved. Yeah. Can't get loud though. But you'll see once you get on the freeway. You got 2 try to drive stick.
You do need to do another stick.
Maybe not in this car though.
Definitely not in this car. I
No.
wouldn't even want to drive your car, first
Why?
of all. It's like too nice. Like, you know, like those shoes that stay in the box?
Yeah.
That's what it's like. Like you have like a, yeah, that's what it is.
Maybe we'll rent a car just to teach you.
I'm down for that.
Yeah.
Okay, see, your car has like a nice sound to it.
I told you, it's not like.
It doesn't sound like tin cans hitting.
Yeah, it's not obnoxious.
Yeah.
All right. Show you what it looked like on the outside. Why? Let me help you. So obviously those are grippy boys in the back, and then we have the regular wheels in front. You know.
Dasher right there.
Oh, you're talking about like the fitment? Looks spicy, huh? Spice Daddy.
That's like.
Yeah, it took a little bit to get there, but.
Damn. How that shit.
It's actually my first time seeing it since I've cleaned it. It does look good. Last time I took it out?
Yeah.
Last week. Dang, she look good. Like it?
She looks good.
Like it?
I like her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go.
She's pretty.
This is a 370Z Nismo.
350, 370.
Correct, yeah. But yeah, he has a Nismo version of the 350. This is the Nismo version of the 370.
Gotcha.
So it's kind of like a father-son type thing.
Gotcha.
It's like generation, you know?
How cute.
Yeah. What did this fool forget? Let's guess. Wallet or camera? Which one do you think? Camera. What? Wait, what was it? What was it? I think it's his wallet. It's probably his wallet. All right. Ready? A little teaser.
No, fuck you.
The thing is that, so there's two modes. There's low boost and there's high boost. That was low boost, so that's not even fast.
That's low?
Yeah, that's low.
Ain't no way.
Yeah. It's well, actually, the fastest car you've been in was a Tesla Plaid, so this is slow to you.
Yeah, Tesla is pretty fast.
Yeah.
I don't be driving like crazy like that though.
Model X Plaid, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is slow to you. Right?
I know, but I feel like it's different when you can like hear it.
Oh, okay, yeah,
On a
that's true.
Tesla, you can't hear it. You just go.
Yeah, that's true.
You just feel that. You just feel your head hit the back of the thing, and you're like, okay.
Yeah, that's true.
This one, like, you can hear it like working.
Yeah. No, that's true.
So.
But yeah, just a little teaser,
That's low.
Yeah.
Do I get to go to high?
I'll show you how.
Okay.
Go for it. I'll show you how. So this exhaust is actually a valve controlled, right? I'll show you. So this is what it sounds like open, right? But if I press this button and close it,
What button is it?
and then open it,
What is that? I've never seen that in my life.
it's a valve controlled exhaust. So it controls, like, basically there's valves in the exhaust that open and close
Yeah.
to make it quieter or louder.
So if it's open,
It's louder. And if it's closed, it's quiet. Like basically stock exhaust.
Do you keep it open?
I keep it open. The reason why I have that, the reason I have this whole system is because like California and obviously like we're kind of strict on modified exhausts and stuff.
Okay.
So if I see a cop, I close it and like it seems like a stock car to him.
Okay.
Because the quickest way to get a state ref or get pulled over is through your exhaust. Because obviously they don't have X-ray vision. They can't see what's done in the car on the outside, right?
It's by how loud it is.
Pretty much, yeah. Unless your car looks freaking crazy, you have no hood and they can, you know what I mean? But it's normally the exhaust that leads to everything else.
I did not know that.
Yeah. So I give them that, close it out. I said cop, and we're quiet.
You have a button for that. You have the cops are here button.
Yeah, pretty much. That's what it's called. Alright. Are you ready for this, Miss Ma'am?
I'm not ready. Let's go.
Alright, so I'm gonna still give you low boost and then we'll go to high boost, okay?
Right now?
Yeah.
Wait, let me hold on to my life.
I gotta fix this steering wheel if it gets squeezed. Ready? Okay. Oh, perfect. Ready?
Ready?
Not that bad, is it?
Do it again.
Oh, you like it?
I do.
No way. Okay. So
That was fun.
that's low boost, right?
Wait, you're gonna put high now?
Yeah, high boost.
Fuck. You can smell it.
This is high boost. What, the gas?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's funny, whenever, which I'm sure I have it now, whenever you like a pull, you always get like a serious face on your look. I'm pretty sure they'll see it. Alright, here's high boost. Faster than your Tesla. It's just.
It could be. Want to race?
Hell no.
Want to race?
No.
Why not?
That's cheating.
How's cheating?
What do you mean? You have 1,000 horsepower. I don't. That's
electric.
literally double the horsepower of this car. Almost.
You want to race?
I'll race you on a course. See who wins. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's race.
Okay. You're laughing because you know you're gonna win. So what she's saying, guys, is basically this car is slow. It's not as fast as her Tesla.
I could beat you in my Tesla.
I think it. Yeah, that's cheating though. Literally cheating. Yeah. Dang, it is freaking hot today, yo. It's funny how you like the. How do you say it? Adrenaline?
Yeah,
Adrenaline?
I like it.
Makes sense.
I like roller coasters though.
Okay, well this kind of imitates that a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit. Also too, it always feels different when you have another person in here though.
It feels different?
Yeah, just because yeah. Just feels different. Like when you're by yourself, obviously it's just you, so like it seems like you're going faster. And when you have another person in here, it seems like you're going slower. It's weird.
Big girl problem.
It's not just you though. It doesn't matter who.
Extra weight.
Yeah.
The extra weight.
Extra weight. Oh look, your Tesla's coming right now. Tesla.
The X?
No, it's an S. It looks like a plaid. I don't know if it actually is a plaid though. Probably is. I guarantee you it is. What the fudge?
The fuck is that?
She's
fine.
saying, like, eventually, not anytime soon.
Yeah, I know, but it's just, it's your baby. I would never, I wouldn't even take it out, like, I don't know, I wouldn't even go like an inch with it.
I mean, it's understandable because, you know, like, if something were to happen and, like, it was your fault,
yeah,
like, you know, I'd have to handle it.
I could never, I'd rather Uber.
I'd probably go to jail, you know?
I would Uber my ass anywhere.
Yeah, that's probably what's best, you know?
Yeah.
I would hate that. I would hate that, you know?
No, trust me.
Of course.
Like, what if I wanted to bring it to McDonald's or something?
No, because...
I would never bring it to McDonald's. That's fucking weird.
Yeah, most driveways are narrow, so... You probably curb a wheel. And I really have to do it.
I would never do that.
Yeah, alright. That's what they all say. Until it happens.
I don't know what happened. I'm cool being passenger princess the whole time.
So, we had a little mishap happen on our way here. So, you guys might be able to hear that, but our under panel is literally... It's literally scraping on the ground. I've showed it in the past, but it was ripped at one point in the middle, and I think it finally gave out. Of course, it would give out today.
Good first impression.
Perfect first impression. That's so freaking nice. And then like we're on our way to Cars and Coffee, right? And like as we're driving, they're gonna be able to hear it. That's so embarrassing, yo. That's so embarrassing. Kind of pissed, but it is what it is. I thought something happened to the engine, so we pulled off on the freeway. But it could be worse, I guess.
Could be worse.
It's so bad, bro.
Out of all the days, huh?
Out of all the days today, you know?
I know.
But yeah, I see like how I'm around. They can probably see it too.
I know.
That's the thing that I hate is like, whatever. But as you see like as we're going, like how I have to like rev it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because yeah. If I don't, like watch. If I don't, you'll get that. You hear that noise?
Yeah.
And like it'll start shaking. Right now it's not doing it as bad, but
okay.
Sometimes it gets worse. Yeah.
Is it hell noticeable?
I don't know, to be honest. I have no idea. Like you're talking about like if they can see it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I know like from a distance you probably can. And I gotta fix that because that's speaking. Yeah, work to do, boys. You see the vibe, like it's.
Yeah.
This is.
I see the vibe.
Even though these are like nice cars, I'm gonna call them regular traffic because these are like cars you normally see every day.
Yeah.
And then over there underneath like the, I guess you can call it like a canopy or whatever, that's where like the exotics and the hypercars and stuff right over there. Plus I'm trying to go slow so you can't hear it.
Out of all the days.
Out of all the days, it had to be today. What's up? Like see right now it's hot.
How embarrassing.
Right? That's why I'm trying to go slow so you can't hear it.
You're good. Out of all the days.
Thanks, appreciate it. What'd you say, sorry? Is that out of all the days? Yeah.
This dog. That's funny.
So that noise that we were hearing with the scraping was this piece right here. So I never thought I'd be that guy to sit outside of O'Reilly's and be working on my car on the ground. But now that that piece is off, the bumper is a little loose. So if you know anything about Nismos, then you know that this is going to be an expensive fix. And we have reached the end of the video. I know this video was long, so I'm gonna end it here. We got Jackie cooking in the kitchen. Like I said, I have no idea when I'm gonna post this video. I don't know if I'm ever gonna post a video. It might be a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year, or never. Reason why is to kind of explain it without going into detail. Some things are better when you just know about it. But if you guys like it, give it a fat thumbs up. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back.